Let me take you to my room so you can see what a room in McTaggart looks like. As you can see, it's totally yours. You get your own desk for those late night study sessions. You get a comfy bed, a bookshelf, and a closet. The best part, you get to decorate it exactly how you want. This is your personal haven on campus. They're all single occupancy, which is awesome for privacy. SFU Housing has accessible rooms, so it's best to check the website to find out which building might be suitable for you. At SFU Residence, it's all about making sure everyone has a place that feels like home. Got questions? Drop them in the comments down below, and we'll do our best to answer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more residence content, and check out the SFU Residence website for all the official details. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.